Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah barakatuh. Peace be unto all of you. I want to thank you all and sincerely for inviting me to the 72nd Convention of the Ahmadiyya Mission in the United States of America. If there is any country that could be spotted for religious tolerance, that country must be Sierra Leone. Interfaith has always played a major role for the unity and peace the people of Sierra Leone are enjoying. This year, during the month of Ramadan, brought together the Ahmadiyya Imam Luqman and the Sierra Leone Muslim Jamaat in the DMV area for iftar at the hall of the Embassy of Sierra Leone in Washington, D.C. Fortunately, I am a proud Muslim and strongly believe in the Islamic faith. In July 2019, I served as keynote speaker at this 71st National Convention. So, as it is always my pleasure to honor your invitation. There are many people in this hall, leaders, that know my country, Sierra Leone. We went through, our country's about 7.5 million people, and we went through a brutal civil war for 11 years. Mr. Chairman, our nation has at its core, after all of this, under the leadership of President Julius Maada Bio, that Sierra Leone needed to create what they called the New Right Direction Agenda, which meant the focus of the New Direction Agenda is based upon three principles: human capital development, that is education, health, and agriculture. As it is, 22% of Sierra Leone's national budget is invested in the free quality education. When the president started to introduce the free quality education, some of the naysayers in our country said, it's not going to happen. Today, I stand here proudly to say, in partnership with the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, that my country provides 2.5 million pupils in school under this free education. In the area of health, our government is pushing for increased access to healthcare services in an effective and efficient way. And then also food sufficiency. In the area of the food sufficiency, we have the economic diversification in reducing poverty. Women in our country are farmers. My president is a farmer. I have a farm too in my own village. The government of Sierra Leone considers infrastructure development a very important, especially in the energy and transportation, roads and bridges, communications, airborne water. Those are pivotal areas for investment. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished member, Mr. Chairman, our country is focused on the fight for corruption. Because of our vigilance of our president, those who stole money from the previous government, our president, under the ACC, they are prosecuting those people, and those people pay money. That's what the president is using to fund the free quality education. But Mr. Chairman, the Ahmadiyya Muslim mission was established in Sierra Leone in 1937. and its message of peace and tolerance resonates with the nature of our people in Sierra Leone. The reminder by this mission that we are all people of the same nature and of one ummah that speaks of equality and the same purpose in the sight of Allah. The administration of our president believes in national cohesion, and that's where they had the Bintu Mani 3 to bring people all across the country for peace. And on 8 December 2020, the Sierra Leone Parliament unanimously enacted the National Commission on Peace. At the international level, let me use this opportunity to recognize the huge successes the Ahmadiyya mission has done in my country for the past 8 decades. Ahmadiyya Muslims, Ahmadiyya community have built mosques, schools, missionary training centers, established radio stations to enhance Islamic education. Hundreds of primary schools and more than 60 secondary schools in Sierra Leone were built by the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat. The mission has also built hospitals and clinics that provide needed medical services to people who need it. On behalf of my government and the people of Sierra Leone, I want to thank the Ahmadiyya Muslim for their humanitarian support to our people during the Ebola crisis, in which many people died. The mission has partnered with the government of Sierra Leone to execute numerous poverty reduction programs and other economic and social through agricultural schemes, water, and sanitation. The objective of Ahmadiyya mission is in line with President Madabio's flagship program of investing in education and exposing the youth to skills training that will accord them the opportunity of making their lives better. Let me assure this congregation and this institution that all my government support for the Ahmadiyya mission and its activities in Sierra Leone will remain sacrosanct. Your work in Sierra Leone has continued to change the lives of a people. So I stand here today to say Assalamu alaikum and thank you very much for what you have done and continue to do in my country.